Touchdown in Baraja, sun on my face. Backpack heavy, gotta pick up the pace. Madrid sprawling, a concrete maze. Hunting for treasures, the retro game craze. From Chica's alleys to Malasanya's heart. Searching for pixels, a digital art. SNES cartridges, Sega's gleam. Gotta catch 'em all, fulfill the dream. Madrid nights, the hunt is on. Digging for classics till the break of dawn. Pixelated dreams in a foreign land. Gotta find those games, controller in hand. Hidden gems in lava-pierced shops. Dusty shelves where the nostalgia pops. Hazenamento, packed tight and deep. 8-bit wonders, secrets they keep. Bargaining hard, a playful fight. Peseta flashing in the fading light. Tetris blocks in sonic speed. Fueling the fire, planting the seed. Madrid nights, the hunt is on. Digging for classics till the break of dawn. Pixelated dreams in a foreign land. Gotta find those games, controller in hand. La Latina's charm, El Rastro's call. Bootlegs and imports, standing tall. Trading stories with collectors old. Tales of Pac-Man and cartridge of gold. A brotherhood of gamers united and strong. Bound by the pixels where we belong. Madrid nights, the hunt is on. Digging for classics till the break of dawn.
Super Benny here. A little unboxing of Spanish roulette we did here in Spain. We picked up the voucher like 3 months ago from a little trade-in we did over in Bilbao. I traded in about 4 games, managed to get over 250 odd in cash, and I ended up with a little voucher as well for about 60 euros that I wanted to use for a Spanish roulette. The results are fantastic. As you can see, we got a great copy of Fighting Legends. Now it's a bit of an exclusive here in Spain. There's only a limited amount of copies around. There's hardly any on the internet. What's pretty cool about it, comes with free games like King of Fighters 97. Also comes with the Real Art of Fighting anthology. And it also comes with like real bouts as well. So really cool. I can only find one listed sort of on eBay, and it goes for like £250, like new and sealed. So yeah, pretty rare. So for a 60 euro voucher that we got this on a whim, and even like the CD's sealed, and you get like free games that have hardly been even touched or played. Yeah, massive roulette win. There is quite a few sort of like PlayStation 4 like exclusives over in Europe. There is another one that might interest you. It's a Batman comic edition. I'm not sure if the comic is maybe in Italian or something like that, but you can see some pictures here. But that's pretty rare too, so that might interest someone. I'm not a big Batman fan, but yeah, something unique and interesting. Fighting Legends Collector's Edition, free games, big box. I love the big box sort of games anyway on PlayStation 4 and collecting for PS4. Really cool. So yeah, massive win. Great roulette. Unbelievable. What massive score. So chuffed. See you in the next video. Take care.